Hey guys, welcome back to Jay's TV. And today I will give you a step-by-step guide, and I will be showing you how to purchase your first fraction of Bitcoin through Cashapp. So if you haven't already downloaded the app, stop the video, go download the app, and then unpause the video. So if you like this content and what I'm producing for you, don't forget to go leave a comment and hit that like button and that notification so that you'll know every time I post a video. All right, let's get into it. So in order to purchase our first fraction of a Bitcoin, we need to go to the 1, 2, 3, 4th, the fourth icon at the bottom of our screen where we see that little wiggly going up arrow, and then we see a circle for the B. So you're going to click on that. And then you should see investing, and you also should see stocks and Bitcoin. And right down there, you'll see the buy. So we are going to click the buy. And then it allows you to, how much do you want to buy? Do you want to buy $10? Do you want to buy $25, $50? And you can buy more if you like. But right now, I'm going to hit the buy. I'm going to hit $10. Then you go down and hit next. Then you wait. And so confirm your Bitcoin purchase of $10 for $10. So right now it'll let you know what your bank is, the amount of Bitcoin that you will have, which is 0.000199698 bit. And it tells you the exchange rate of what the Bitcoin is traded at this particular time. The symbol is BIC. The total Bitcoin purchase is 9.78 because there will be a fees associated to purchasing this, which is 22 cent. My bad, y'all. Stumbled. 22 cent. And if you want to know more about the fees that will be charged, you can click on fees, and it will also take you to another screen that actually break these fees down more in detail. So the total will be $10, but remember, you're only getting a fraction of Bitcoin. You're not getting the whole Bitcoin. So we're going to hit confirm. And then we're going to wait. And they said right now you purchase 0.0019648 Bitcoin. So you have officially purchase your first fraction of Bitcoin. Congratulations. And when you go back to the main screen, it shows you right there today that you have purchased it. And then if you want to keep track of it, you go right down a little bit. It said Bitcoin on, and it shows you your purchase price and your symbol. And it shows you today that if you look right here, it says today that you purchased $10 worth of Bitcoin. You also know you got to minus your fees. So thank you so much for tuning in to Jay's TV. I hope you really enjoyed this video. And if you want to see more, please let me know.